Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is the H-1B Pulse series, where I bring you the top headlines, top news about the H-1B, and these news is to help you to stay informed and stay prepared. So let's look at the top three headlines. First, there is a new social media vetting that is going on with the counselors. That means any H-1B new appointments, they have been cancelled. The US State Department is now implemented a new rigorous online presence review for H-1B and H-4 visa applicants. This means that there will be immediate visa interview delays at consulates in India and worldwide. Some of these appointments have been pushed months way into mid 2026. Consular officers are now reviewing your public social media profiles and digital traces before approval. Immigration attorneys at leading companies are recommending that you avoid any unnecessary international travel if you require a new visa stamp due to administrative processing. The processing times have increased by 3 to 6 months, so make sure that if it's not really urgent and if you require a stamping, you don't travel. There is a new H-1B petition fee that is challenged in the federal court. So under the current government, they have introduced a fee of 100,000 per H-1B petition, which has now been challenged in the federal court. A coalition of 20 states has filed a lawsuit to block a massive 100,000 fee for new H-1B visa petitions. While the fee is technically in effect, legal battles are causing major uncertainty for tech and healthcare companies. Critics argue that the fee will harm American competitiveness in the AI and software engineering sectors. USCIS is currently processing renewals under old fee structures, but new H-1B entries may face up to 100K requirement. It means that employers should reach out to their immigration lawyers, immigration attorneys, and check what is the filing cost, etc. The last news in today's series is there is a new registration fees and salary based selection. USCIS has confirmed that the for year 2026 H-1B lottery that will open in March 2025 with a significant higher registration fee of $215. That means the registration fee is now increased and the selection odd, that is the wage level criteria, is expected to have 50% to 100% higher chance of selection compared to entry level roles. So make sure that you stay updated, stay informed. I'll be sharing details regularly. So make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you need any job support, if you need any one-on-one training or you need any one-on-one career counseling, write to me at surya.aradh and I can guide you with my expertise. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.